Now let's start the classification of animals.
First is on the basis of their feeding habits. Animals need food to get energy and to stay healthy. They depend on plants and other animals for their food. Different animals have different feeding habits. Some animals eat plants and some eat flesh of other animals. So on the basis of their feeding habits, we can divide them into 4 types. First, herbivorous animals or herbivores. Second, carnivorous animals or carnivores. Third, omnivorous animals or omnivores. And fourth, parasites. First is herbivorous animals. Animals that eat only plants, mind the word only plants, are called herbivorous animals, or you can say herbivores. For example, cow, deer, etc. Second, carnivorous animals. Animals that eat flesh of other organisms are called as carnivorous animals or carnivores. For example, lion, tiger, etc. Third is omnivorous animals. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of animals is called omnivorous animals or omnivores. For example, a human being, bear, etc. Fourth is parasites. An organism that lives in or on the body of another organism and takes its nourishment from that other organism is called parasites. For example, tapeworm, fleas, etc. Now, second comes on the basis of their work habits. First, nocturnal animals. Second, diurnal animals. Nocturnal animals. Animals that are active during the night and usually they sleep during the day are called as nocturnal animals. For example, owls, bats, etc. Second, diurnal animals. Animals that are active during the day are called as diurnal animals. For example, lizards, honeybees, etc. Third is on the basis of modes of reproduction. First, oviparous animals and second, viviparous animals. Oviparous animals. So let's see what are oviparous animals. Animals that reproduce by laying eggs that develop and hatch into young individuals is called oviparous animals. For example, birds, reptiles, etc. Viviparous. Animals that give birth to young ones rather than laying eggs are called viviparous animals. For example, cats, dogs, etc. Now last is on the basis of presence or absence of backbone. First, vertebrates. Second, invertebrates. So now children, what are vertebrates? Animals that have a backbone or spinal column are called vertebrates. For example, humans, reptiles, etc. Invertebrates. Animals that neither develop nor possess a vertebral column, or you can say backbone or spine, is called invertebrates. For example, starfish, sponges, etc.